Getting each sunroof to keep these suckers tripping. Every time they look, the suckers jealous, wanna The AMG kit keeps us closer to the ground. Even Ben hit that one right there.
Brother Lynch? Yeah.
Even I got it.
You know, me and you, we were just at 50 Fremont doing the Salesforce job all night. We left at like midnight. Here we are back again the next day at Muck's, which is at 88 Stevenson Street, which is a 5-minute walk from here over to Salesforce. And Muck's is taking over a new address here in San Francisco, and we are installing all the VERKADA. So we're doing a VERKADA takeover. So we're taking over their old existing access control system, taking over existing cameras. So swapping out all the doors, and we're also gonna be doing all the data cabling. We're gonna be doing 12 conference rooms in here, 12 Zoom rooms. We sold all the screens, all the neat bars, projector. We're doing all the networking. So we have like a big job here, and all this will be done within 2 weeks. So that's what we're starting here today. We'll show you guys around.
Ooh, maybe.
My name is Darian, D-A-R-R-I-E-N.
Devin, D-E-V-I-N.
This is the room scheduler. We had to yank out the old wire, bring in the new wire, and then this will be how they book the rooms. These are the last pulls, and one more room to pull on this floor, and then everything will be done in this floor except for this room. This room scheduler will get paired to the neat pad and the neat bar in this room. Then in the software, they'll name this room, and then you can log in to the calendar, and then you can be like, oh, I want to book this room. So after everybody books it, I'll show you the calendar.
Back when it was all about the bass. I could rap better than you, could dance better than you. My crew had a louder stereo than you, had more bitches than you, and that's it, you know what I'm saying?
Testing cables. This is a passing sign. This means good. That's what you want to see right there. We gotta label these cables. Am I supposed to look at the camera, not you? Hey, I can't. It's hard to look at the lens is like an eyeball.
Damn, a 1/4 of an inch off. Yep, I need to move this. We need to put this one closer.
We do have 3 Zoom rooms down here. These rooms will have screens. A lot of them already had Zoom rooms in them. Floor cable covers that we're gonna reuse to get the cable up the wall. They already have data here, but for right now, we're just gonna do all VERKADA.
So guys, we are running 9 wires from the server room to each room. Most of them have 3 wires ran through already in them. That's what we're doing.
Chris has to do that, you know, where it's like on The Hangover.
With all the numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Talking LED walls, baby.